clean the plate after use, have the following items ready: a container with water, a steel spatula, a steel wool ball, plancha cleaner, enamel cleaning spray, a microfiber cloth, a sponge. When you finish cooking, turn off the burners. While the enamel plate is still hot, scrape off any food residue using the spatula. Rub the enamel plate with the steel wool ball, adding a little water if necessary. Repeat to remove all food residue. Leave the plate to cool whilst eating. Once cooled, use the plancha cleaner and the steel wool ball with a little water. Rinse with a damp sponge, then wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. If the plate wasn't cleaned after the previous use, there are two solutions. Either reheat the plate and follow the earlier steps, or apply the cleaning spray after having scraped off any residue beforehand. Rub the plate with the steel wool ball, then rinse with clean water and wipe with a sponge. Finally, use the plancha cleaner, the steel wool ball and a little water. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. Plancha is ready for next time.